So here we'll look at problems where we have to evaluate logs without using a calculator. So let's just first look at the definition of logs. So suppose we have a number x written in the exponential form x equals a to the n. So the base of this number is this. That's by definition the base. This is the exponent. So we have the exponent n, so that's called the exponent. And this is the number that we've written in the exponential form. Okay, so x is a to the n. A is the base, n is the exponent. So we can write it in the log form as log of the number x and the base to the base a is equal to the exponent n. So the exponent is the log of the number x to the given base a. Okay, so if I have y equals b to the k, then we write this as log of the number y to the base b is the exponent k. So notice the base is the base of the log, the base of the exponential term is the base of the log. The exponent is the log of the number. So the exponent is the log of the number to the given base. So let's look at a few examples. We've done many examples in class. You can look at those as well, but let's look at this. Log of 5 to the base 5. So let's write this in the exponential form. So the base 5 to the what is equal to the number 5. And which number am I talking about? This. So 5, the base, let's shade it in blue. The base is 5. 5 to the what is equal to 5. So the only number that we can fill that blank with is 5 to the 1 equals 5. So base to the 1 equals the number. So therefore, this is equal to 1. So remember, the exponent is the log of the number. So the exponent here is 1 and that's the log of the number. So this is something that you have to get used to. It takes a while. You need to practice, go over the problems done in class as well. So now let's look at the next one. We need to figure out log of 1/5 to the base 5. So the number for which we're trying to find the log is 1/5. The base is 5. So what we need to ask ourselves is, let's write down the base first. The base to the what equals 1/5. Okay, and remember the base of the log is the base of the exponent here. So next we try to fill out that blank, and 1/5 is the reciprocal of 5. Can be written as 5 to the -1. So 5, the base, to the -1 is equal to the number that we're trying to find the log for. Okay, so the exponent here that fits in is -1. So the exponent is the log of the number, right? So that's the exponent. So remember that the exponent is the log of the number. If the base is 5, we have to write the number as 5 to the something. So now let's look at the next one. The base is 5. Okay, so let's highlight the base in blue. In blue. So the base is 5. So I'm asking myself, 5 to the what? We are trying to write this in the exponential form. We're trying to write the number which is 125 in the exponential form with base 5. So 5 to the what equals the number 125. And if we can figure out the exponent, that is the log of the number. So if you do some simple calculations, you'll see that 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So this is 5, the base, to the third power is equal to 125. So the base is 5, obviously. The number is 125. We're trying to get the number in the exponential form with 5 as the base. The exponent is the log of the number. So the exponent fits in here. Exponent is the log of the number, so that should be equal to 3. So now I think I can go a little faster. So now 5 to the what equals 1 over 125. So this is the same as 5 to the what equals 1 over 5 cubed. So clearly 5 to the negative 3 is equal to 1 over 5 cubed. So the exponent is the log of the number, so that is negative 3. Here 100 is 10 squared, so the exponent raised to the base of 10 is the log of the number. But if you have 1 over 100, we are looking at 1 over 10 squared, which is 10 to the negative 2. So this is equal to the exponent, which is negative 2. Now let's look at log of radical 5. Remember, radical 5 in the exponential form is 5 to the half, right? So the exponent is the log of the number, so that is equal to half. We have log to the base 5 of 1 over radical 5, which is 1 over 5 to the half, which is the same as log to the base 5. And if we can write it as 5 to the negative half, then the exponent, remember the bases have to match here, the exponent is the log of the number. One more example, log to the base 3. So if we could somehow write it as log to the base 3 and write the number as 3 to the something, so this is 3 to the 1/3, the exponent, as long as the bases match, the exponent is the log of the number. Same thing here. We can write it as log to the base 3. Notice this is 1 over 3 to the 1/3. This is equal to log to the base 3. 3 to the negative 1/3 is equal to, again, we've written it in the form 3 to the 1/3, so to the negative 1/3. So the exponent is the log of the number.